Okay, everybody's always saying more videos cooking, more videos cooking. So I figured I better remember that when I'm cooking, I should probably show you something. I just threw some biscuits in. You can hear the wind. And I just have it like I always do, sitting on the ground. That way it doesn't blow over or fall off a table. And I got biscuits in here right now. They've been in about maybe 10 minutes, so got about another 10 minutes in a 300-degree oven. Later. Okay, it's been about almost 15 minutes. Yep, I'd say those 5 are done. I'd go get a plate. Yum. Ooh, I can smell them too. Then I can throw 3 more in there. Later. Huh. Okay. There you go. Windy as can be, as you can hear. But I did 8 grants, about half an hour or so, I don't know. I never really pay attention. Put them in and then I try to remember to check them 10 minutes later, and that lets me know, well, try to remember to check them 10 minutes later. So, later. Okay. Howdy, neighbors. Again, after the fact. Hot dogs. Solar oven. Yum. Later. Oh. We have somebody who's extremely interested in this. You goofy thing. Okay, now later. Howdy, neighbors. We're finally getting a sunset that you go, okay, we haven't seen this in a while. We got a lot of what looks like rainy cloud cover, but there's no such thing as rain in those until it gets to the East Coast. But it's a pretty sunset tonight.
Different kind of sunset.
Yeah.
Than usual.
Yeah, it's more of a glowing one than a colored streaks or whatever. All the clouds all covered.
Yeah.
It's like the whole sky is colored. Later. Howdy, neighbors. I found some water. And occasionally loud motorcycles on the highway. Definitely nicer along the water. the island over there is back to being an island. The water's way up. They keep it way up for the holiday stuff. Oh, where am I? This is Ehrenberg. The bridge right there is, across the Colorado from over here in Arizona to over there in California. And it's definitely hot out here during the day. I think it's supposed to be right at... Oh! I caught one. That looked like one of those carp. Anyway, like right at 100. I got pictures yesterday of, I believe, 108 inside my van, 100 plus outside. The thermometer was in the sun. I didn't realize it. The outside thermometer. And there's one of them MR naught ducks. Coot. Those are little clowns. So yeah, gonna hang out here for a few days. Vicky has appointments that we have to deal with, and then we can head north. Well, I'm gonna go probably fry up some pork. No, wait a minute. What do I have? Oh yeah, sausage. Go have some sausage and eggs. Bleh.